Hey there, history enthusiasts. Welcome back to Today in History, where we uncover the most astonishing, weird, and downright unbelievable events from the past. Think December 26th is just about recovering from holiday feasts? Think again. From revolutionary victories to cosmic mysteries, we've gathered 20 incredible moments that happened on this very date. So hit that subscribe button, and let's journey through time together. You won't believe what's coming next. Number 20. On December 26, 1606, Shakespeare's legendary tragedy King Lear is believed to have been performed for the first time at the court of King James I. Talk about a royal premiere filled with drama and intrigue. Number 19. December 26, 1776, George Washington led his troops across the icy Delaware River and surprised the Hessian forces at the Battle of Trenton, a daring move that turned the tide of the American Revolution. Number 18. On December 26, 1898, Marie and Pierre Curie announced the discovery of radium, illuminating the world of science. Literally. Their groundbreaking work glowed brighter than any holiday lights. Number 17. December 26, 1919, the Boston Red Sox sold Babe Ruth to the New York Yankees, kicking off the infamous Curse of the Bambino. Red Sox fans were not amused. Home runs for New York, heartache for Boston. Number 16. On December 26, 1925, Turkey adopted the Gregorian calendar, ditching the old for the new. Time travel, anyone? The Turks leaped ahead by 13 days overnight. Number 15. December 26, 1941. Winston Churchill became the first British Prime Minister to address a joint meeting of the U.S. Congress, rallying support during World War II, crossing the pond to unite against tyranny. Number 14. On December 26, 1943, the German battleship Scharnhorst was sunk by the Royal Navy in the Battle of the North Cape, a chilly end in Arctic waters for the pride of the Kriegsmarine. Number 13. December 26, 1966, the very first Kwanzaa was celebrated, thanks to Dr. Maulana Karenga. A new holiday was born, honoring African heritage and culture. Time to light those Kanara candles. Number 12. On December 26, 1972, former U.S. President Harry S. Truman passed away at the age of 88. The man who famously declared, "The buck stops here," signed off one last time. Number 11. December 26, 1973, horror hit new heights as The Exorcist premiered in theaters. Audiences' heads spun with fear. Who knew pea soup could be so terrifying? Number 10. On December 26, 1979, the Soviet Union invaded Afghanistan, marking the start of a decade-long conflict. A Cold War got a little hotter in the mountains of Central Asia. Number 9. December 26, 1980, the Rendlesham forest incident began in England, becoming the UK's most famous UFO sighting. Aliens for Boxing Day? Now that's out of this world. Number 8. On December 26, 1982, Time magazine named the personal computer as Machine of the Year, the first non-human to receive the honor. Move over, humans. The PCs have arrived. Number 7. December 26, 1986, China opened the Nansha oil field in the contested South China Sea. Black gold stirred up international waters. Energy exploration got a bit more interesting. Number 6. On December 26, 1991, the Supreme Soviet formally dissolved the Soviet Union, ending the Cold War. The USSR said, "Do svidanya," and 15 new nations emerged. Number 5. December 26, 1996, 6-year-old John Benet Ramsey was tragically found dead in her Colorado home, sparking a media frenzy and a mystery that remains unsolved, a chilling case that gripped the nation. Number 4. On December 26, 2003, a devastating earthquake struck Bam, Iran, killing over 26,000 people and destroying the ancient citadel of Arg-e-Bam, a historic treasure reduced to rubble. Number 3. December 26, 2004, the Indian Ocean earthquake and tsunami wreaked havoc across multiple countries, claiming over 230,000 lives. One of the deadliest natural disasters in recorded history unfolded on this day. Number 2. On December 26, 2006, former U.S. President Gerald Ford passed away at the age of 93. The man who said, "Our long national nightmare is over," took his final bow. Number 1. December 26, 2019. A spectacular annular solar eclipse created a ring of fire visible across parts of Asia and the Middle East. Sky watchers were treated to a cosmic holiday gift. If you thought December 26th was packed with surprises, just wait until you see what December 27th has in store. From groundbreaking discoveries to historical twists you won't believe, our next episode promises even more astonishing moments. So smash that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join us tomorrow for another thrilling dive into history's hidden gems. Trust us, you won't want to miss it.